Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have a few things from Dollar Tree that I want to share with you. My room is looking a little different because I've been moving stuff around, furniture around. I went back to pick up some more storage bags. You guys know I've been cleaning like crazy, decluttering, getting rid of stuff because we are expecting a new baby and I just want everything to be nice and clean and organized. So I got some of these. These are by the brand Essentials. You get 3 large bags. Typically I get the extra large or the extra large, but I figured I'd try that. I don't know, I can put stuff in there and either donate it or give it to family or whatever it is. Okay, I also needed some glue. I'm pretty sure I got like different types of glue, but they have like super glue at the Dollar Tree. This one here is the gel kind. I actually really like this one. I think I've used this for my nails before. And then this one is a Fix All adhesive. So I just wanted to have some of this on hand. Since I notice I don't have any, and whenever you try and grab something and you don't have it, it's like, the heck. I love these, you guys. These are the diaper disposable bags. So I got some for, you know, to carry in my diaper bag, and also I like to have a pack in my car for when I'm changing the baby or whatever. I also found more mermaid napkins at Dollar Tree, you guys. I did a 99-cent store haul. If you guys missed that video, I will include a card up above so you can check it out. But they both are starting to carry like mermaid things for birthdays and stuff. So this one comes from Dollar Tree. You get 20 napkins and they're gorgeous. They also had the paper plates, the big paper plates, and then the smaller paper plates. So definitely keep an eye. I thought I could use these for like crafting with Mod Podge, so I decided to pick that up, but I left the plates behind. Oh, here's the other diaper disposable bags. These are awesome, guys. You get 60 pieces. Can you see that? So that is a good deal to throw away a dirty diaper. You can't beat it. I also found these white string tags. I've been using these for Leilani's closet, so I've been using a different type of string though. I'll just use the actual little tag, and it does come with 30 pieces by the Jot brand. So I got 2 more of those to label stuff so that we can be as organized as possible. I decided to purchase this Pure Ice nail polish, you guys. I thought this was gorgeous, these colors. I've been really into gold lately. So these are called Studette and First Love. Look at that sparkle. So pretty. 2 for $1, 50 cents a piece. That is a good deal. These would be great for stocking stuffers or for little Christmas gifts. I needed some more paper clips, and I really like these pink ones. You don't get a whole lot of them, but I do really like the color. And it is kind of like in a shape of a coffee cup. Like, how stinking adorable is that? This is a repurchase. I got some of these little plastic scoops for Leilani's like powdered chocolate milk and powdered strawberry milk, so yeah, we needed some of those. So I was glad I found those at Dollar Tree, you guys. Oh, here's more glue. This is the original super glue. This actually works really well. Maybe this is the one I've used for my nails. And then I got some Christmas cards. I've been selling a few handbags on Poshmark, and I just want to send out like a Christmassy card for the month of December or whatever. So I found some Christmas cards So let me show you the ones I thought were gorgeous. So this one here says, may the simple joys of this season be yours. And it's like a white background. I love the snow because I don't get snow here where I live in California. And then on the back it just says, hope your holidays sparkle. But that's what it says on the inside of the card. And you get 12 Christmas cards for $1, you guys. So I thought that is a steal. I like the gold foil. I think it's super elegant and pretty, so I snatched that one up. I also really liked this one. It says Season of Cheer with the snowflakes. This has the silver foil. Inside it says, 'tis the season when joy and wonder fill the air. May they find you now and throughout the year. Happy holidays. So pretty. And then the last one I picked up is this one that says, may a joyful Christmas be yours this season. And again, it has the snow. I really am drawn to the snow pictures. And this one says, may you be surrounded by the beauty of the season and the joys of the holiday. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas. So I thought those would be nice to have for Poshmark. When I sell a handbag, I can include a cute little Christmas card, or even to like send out to people that send me stuff in the mail. I just want to send out thank you cards for Christmas. I've been wanting to do that since like 2-3 years ago. But yeah, Dollar Tree has these amazing options and I love it. These are little jars. I got these for this room. I'm probably gonna put like pom-poms or paper clips, binder clips in these. I kind of want to spray paint the top either gold or my two favorite colors, which are like the pink and the mint. I tried to paint one. I don't know how that, I'm liking that, you guys. I mean, I'll try to finish it, but I don't know. They kind of look like little candy jars. So I got 4 in total. But I think I messed one of them up with the acrylic paint. So they're super cute. They're only $1. These are great for like cotton balls, Q-tips, little things, your craft room, planner room. You can put little erasers or anything. You literally can store anything, your hair accessories, so office supplies. So I got a couple of those. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. I know it was a small Dollar Tree haul, but I do have a 99-cent store haul coming up. I have been obsessed with the 99-cent store. I have been loving the 99-cent store. They have such great selection if you're trying to get stuff for organization, to display stuff, like amazing selection. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the Dollar Tree haul. You guys just keep coming back. I have a lot of videos that I still need to edit and upload, so don't you guys worry. I have you covered, and we're gonna do a lot together. Like today, I'm also going to be organizing some more, cleaning some more, and you guys know the drill. Put my little Christmas tree up. Like, I am on a roll, you guys. I'm so excited. So subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my Instagram over at SparkleOnForever, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.